Team, I'm excited to announce that we'll be integrating AI technology into our surgical procedures. This groundbreaking advancement has the potential to revolutionize the field of surgery.
That's incredible, Mihira. How will AI be used in the operating room?
AI can assist in various aspects of surgery, from preoperative planning to intraoperative guidance. For example, it can analyze medical images, identify anatomical landmarks, and provide real-time feedback during procedures.
Will AI replace surgeons?
Absolutely not. AI is intended to augment the capabilities of surgeons, not replace them. It will serve as a valuable tool to enhance precision, minimize errors, and improve patient outcomes.
Are there any concerns about the safety and reliability of AI in surgery, Mihira?
We've conducted rigorous testing and validation to ensure the safety and effectiveness of the AI technology. However, it's important to maintain human oversight and judgment throughout the surgical process.
Mihira, thank you for trusting me with this. It takes a great deal of strength to talk about your child's anxiety, and it's completely natural to feel concerned. Please know that you are not alone in this, and there are several strong support systems we can connect you with to help your child navigate these feelings. Firstly, we can engage the school's healthcare team. They are a fantastic resource dedicated to student well-being and can provide support right in the school environment. Beyond the school, there are many local and even online support groups for parents and children, which can be a great source of shared experiences and practical tips, helping to reduce that sense of isolation. For more personalized guidance, I can help you connect with our social worker services. They are skilled in helping families develop specific strategies and can act as a bridge to other specialized services if needed. To make this information tangible for you, I have some carefully selected leaflets that outline these options in a clear way, and I can also point you to a trusted and secure website where you can explore these resources further at your own pace. My role is to help you navigate these first steps